Hello people of Earth. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple recipes. Bear with me, they're not my typical recipes. I normally make my taiyaki with red bean paste, but today I'm going to show you guys how to make it with some green tea matcha cream. And I normally do these like banana oatmeal chocolate chip matcha cookies that are really good and like kind of pretty healthy. And I don't have some of the things that I need, so I'm going to show you guys like a staple chocolate chip cookie, and then I'm just going to add some matcha powder to it. So let's get started. Okay. Cuddle break. Voiceover time. So we're gonna start off with some brown sugar. I'm gonna leave all the measurements down below in the description, that way you don't have to keep like looking through the video to find out what it is. But yeah, I started off with brown sugar for the cookies, then I added some butter, mixed that up all well, and then after that I added a splash of vanilla, and then I kept mixing. I added in 1 egg. Sorry guys, I'm a little nervous. It's my first voiceover. So anyway, I ended up mixing it all up together, and then I added in the oats. Then I mixed that up all well. After that, I just continued to mix it, and then I added in the flour. I sifted it in through, so I just quickly did that, and then I just mixed it all up. Then I started stirring it with a spatula so that it would mix in better. Then I added in the matcha powder. I sifted it, of course, and then mix. After that, I added in the chocolate chips, and then I folded those in. After that, you're all finished pretty much. So then I just got a parchment paper lined, and then I added in the batter. I just kind of press it down with my fingers. That's kind of how you shape the cookies. They do grow, so do keep that in mind. I didn't really care to make them all even, so sorry guys, I'm not a perfectionist about that. But yeah, I just did that, and then with the leftover batter, I made a second batch. Then I just popped those in the oven, and after this I started on the taiyaki batter while those are in the oven. So for the batter, I just added in the cake flour into a bowl. Sorry that I'm not filming all of this in the kitchen. I do have roommates, so I don't want to be in their way, and I don't want them to be in my way, so I just tried to keep that in mind. But I added in the baking powder, and then for the wet ingredients, I added in one egg, mixed that up, added in some vanilla, then I added in some milk, some sugar, and then I mixed that all up. Then I added in the flour with the baking powder and salt. Just mix. That's pretty much all you do here, and that's the batter. So after I did this, I just put it in a bowl, got it all cleaned up, and we're gonna start on our filling for that taiyaki. So normally I make a red bean paste from scratch, but for this one we're gonna be doing a matcha cream. So I added in a cup of heavy cream, and then I added in some powdered sugar. After this, I just mixed it all up. Mix, and then after you're done mixing it, you're gonna add in, well, I added in a little bit more sugar. You can add to taste, but I thought I needed a little bit more, and then I added in the matcha powder, and then I mixed it all together. And you're gonna want to do this for a while until it's completely like thickened up. It's gonna just basically look like buttercream, and you just keep going and going. So on this lighting, it doesn't really show how green it ended up, but I think this one's better, so that's pretty much the green that it ended up being. And then now I'm gonna make the taiyaki. So first you start off with your pan. I sprayed it with some oil, and then I added in the batter, and then you just fill it up to the top, and you're all set. Don't be like me, I ended up spilling a little bit, but yeah, you just do that, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're ready. So I'm gonna fill these in with the green tea cream, and then I'm making these banana Nutella ones, and this is what they look like. And then these are the cookies that I ended up making. They're a lot greener in person than they look on video, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!